They call it Amazon's secret humanoid army. Deep inside a hidden test facility, away from prying eyes, Amazon is training legions of human-shaped robots to change the way packages get delivered. Picture a quiet suburban street late at night. An electric Amazon van glides to the curb and its doors slide open. But instead of a human driver carrying your parcel, a robotic figure steps out from the back, package in hand. This isn't science fiction. It's a glimpse into Amazon's very real and very secretive plan to revolutionize delivery as we know it. This secret humanoid park is not just for show. According to leaks from the project, Amazon plans to graduate these robots from the test zone to the real world soon. Once the machines prove themselves on the obstacle course, Amazon will send them on field trips, live test deliveries in real neighborhoods, perhaps with a safety driver or handler nearby at first. The ultimate vision is a fleet of delivery vans each carrying a robotic helper. Even if a human driver is still in the van, the robot can double the efficiency. Imagine one robot delivering a package to House A, while the driver, with another package in hand, simultaneously walks to House B. It's a bold solution to the ever-pressing problem of last-mile delivery logistics. Amazon's endgame is clear. Eventually, the van might drive itself, and the robot might do all the legwork, literally. A fully automated delivery system from warehouse to doorstep would fundamentally upend how we receive goods. The company has experimented with delivery automation for years, flying Prime Air drones that drop packages from the sky, and cute six-wheeled sidewalk rovers nicknamed Scout that trundled along at walking speed. Those trials met limited success. Drones ran into regulatory turbulence and safety concerns, while the Scout robots struggled with real-world obstacles and were quietly shelved. Humanoid robots, however, offer a tantalizing new approach. They can do everything a person can: walk on uneven ground, climb stairs, lift parcels, even ring doorbells. Instead of redesigning cities for robots, Amazon is betting on robots that can adapt to our existing world. If a delivery route has a staircase or a gate, a bipedal robot can handle it, where a wheeled bot might not. In essence, the human form factor is the ultimate skeleton key to unlock all the environments we humans use daily. So, what do these Amazon humanoid delivery robots actually look like? One prototype, Agility's Digit, resembles a headless electronic ostrich, standing about 5 feet tall with reverse-bent knees like a bird and long arms that can grasp packages. It has LiDAR sensors bulging from its torso and feet that can balance on varied terrain. In the lab, you might see Digit crouch down, lift a box labeled Fragile with surprising gentleness, then pivot and carry it across a room. The scene in the humanoid park must be almost surreal. A diverse collection of robo-people, tall and short, expensive and budget, all learning how to ride in vans and traverse a fake neighborhood, like some futuristic training camp. The idea of a robot literally hopping out of a van to hand you a package is as startling as it is exciting. Amazon's own drivers, of which there are hundreds of thousands worldwide, could one day share the streets with robotic coworkers or be replaced entirely if the tech matures. The stakes are enormous. On one hand, faster, more efficient deliveries, maybe even 24/7 deliveries at off hours, could delight customers. Imagine ordering a last-minute gift on Amazon, and a robot knocks on your door with it an hour later. On the other hand, there's an undeniable chill to the scenario. The friendly mail carrier or Amazon delivery person you're used to might vanish, replaced by a silent android with glowing sensors. Jobs that employ so many people today could be fundamentally transformed or lost. It raises the question, is society ready for robots as commonplace service workers? The transition won't just be technological, it will be social. Amazon isn't the only player in this high-stakes humanoid race. Far from it. In fact, one of the loudest contenders comes from the world of electric cars, Tesla. Tech mogul Elon Musk grabbed headlines when he announced Tesla's own humanoid robot, known as Optimus or Tesla Bot. At first, many thought it was a gimmick. Musk introduced Optimus in 2021 by having a person in a robot costume dance on stage, which felt like a joke. But skepticism turned to intrigue in 2022 when Tesla rolled out a real prototype, a shiny metallic humanoid that could wobbly walk across the stage and wave its arms. It was early and clunky, but it was real. Fast forward to the next year, and Tesla's progress became much more tangible. In May 2023, Tesla revealed footage of 5 Optimus robots moving together, and the sight was both eerie and amazing. In the video, a line of identical Tesla bots walks slowly but steadily forward, each step more confident than before. The robots then proceed to identify objects on a table, colored blocks and tools, and sort them from one tray to another, all without human assistance. It's like watching a bizarre assembly line staffed entirely by humanoids. Tesla's Optimus is designed to be a general-purpose helper, standing roughly human-sized, around 5.5 feet tall, and equipped with a full suite of sensors and cameras. It's intended to handle all sorts of tasks, not just delivery. Musk envisions these robots cooking, cleaning, doing yard work, manufacturing, essentially anything humans don't want to do. In one demonstration clip, an Optimus bot carefully picked up a small watering can and watered a plant, showcasing fine motor control. In another, it gently lifted a fragile-looking object to prove it can handle delicate tasks. The company has retooled much of its self-driving car AI to give Optimus the ability to recognize the world around it and make decisions. And thanks to Tesla's expertise in batteries and motors, Optimus is built with custom electric actuators and can theoretically walk at about 5 miles per hour and haul 20 pounds of cargo. Musk has boasted that in the future, physical work will be a choice, meaning you'll only do chores if you want to, because a robot could do it for you. He's even said the market for Optimus might be bigger than Tesla's car business, imagining humans wanting to buy a robot for their parents or homes as easily as they'd buy a car. Those ambitions are sky high, and while Optimus is still in development, Tesla's aggressive leaps in just a couple of years have made it a serious contender in the humanoid arena. Another rising star in the humanoid field is a startup simply named Figure. While Amazon and Tesla grab a lot of attention, Figure is quietly, or not so quietly, building what it calls the world's first commercially viable, autonomous humanoid robot. Founded in 2022 in Silicon Valley, Figure leaped onto the scene with their first prototype Figure 01, and astonishingly, within 10 months, they had iterated to a second-gen robot called Figure 02. Unlike the utilitarian appearances of Digit or the Tesla bot, Figure 02 has a sleek, polished design, a white and black body with a shiny visor-like face, almost as if an astronaut suit turned into a robot. It stands about 5 feet 6 inches, roughly 1.7 meters, tall, weighs around 70 kilograms, and can carry a 20-kilogram load. In other words, it's about the size of an average human adult. Figure's team made a point to give their robot a human-like silhouette and dexterity. It has articulate hands with fingers that can turn doorknobs and use tools, and nimble limbs designed to navigate human environments. The reason, as the company puts it, is that our world is built for humans. So a robot that can truly work in our world needs to fit into the same spaces and use the same tools we do. Figure 02 is fully electric and can run about 5 hours on a charge, indicating a focus on practical work shifts. Yet with all this excitement, there's also a suspenseful undercurrent. Are we ready for what we might unleash? High-retention attention in popular media often drifts to dystopian scenarios, rogue robots, AI gone awry, and while the reality is far more mundane, these delivery bots are not about to plot world domination, they're just trying not to trip on the curb. It's still a valid question of control. These humanoids will be loaded with AI software. Amazon, Tesla, and Figure are essentially programming brains for metal bodies. Ensuring that brain makes good decisions is crucial. It's a story unfolding in real time, with a mix of excitement, curiosity, and a dash of fear. Amazon's secret humanoid army may not be wearing uniforms or marching in formation, but make no mistake, they are real, and they're coming to a doorstep near you. The future of delivery might be walking on 2 legs, carrying a package with your name on it. As the sun sets on the era of exclusively human delivery drivers, a new dawn rises for the robots. And the world will be watching, heart pounding with anticipation, to see what happens when the delivery person becomes a delivery machine. The question mark in our title, The Future of Delivery. won't remain a question for long. The future is being delivered, one robot at a time.